Every new Forex trader is going to end up following a very similar journey to become a profitable trader. Today I'm going to outline 11 steps for you to follow so you can get there faster. I'm going to be releasing an 11-part mini educational series for beginners that will go into detail on each one of these topics. So if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button now so you don't miss out on any of these future videos. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Brian and I'm a full-time Forex trader, and I upload tutorials like this and future ones, and I also have free weekly analysis that I upload to my channel. I also have a subscription service, so if you're interested, leave a comment below or check out my about description for an email so you can send me any questions you might have. So what are the 11 topics? Here's the list. Number 1, research. You can't start any business or any different kind of career path without the education needed. Now I'm not talking, formal courses taught at a university or nighttime. I'm talking about looking online, Googling, following people, seeing what they're doing. There's a lot of really great resources out there to get you started. Number 2, you need to find a software that is very easy to use, intuitive, and just very simple. So I've used some in the past, some not so good, some really good. The most widely used one, and is free, is called tradingview.com. I highly recommend it. There's a free service and then an upgraded service. The free service is more than good enough for beginners, and I'm going to be showing a tutorial on how to use it and why I like it so much. Number 3, brokers. So which broker to use? There's so many out there in the world, country by country. Some are a little better than others. Some it comes down to preference and maybe where you want your money. Some places you have regulatory issues, like Canada has it with a couple brokers. So I'm going to be showing you the broker I use and some of the other ones I recommend. Number 4, a demo account and why you should use one, especially in the beginning. When you're placing trades or just trying to get the general grasp of Forex trading, it can be quite confusing, and you want to be making mistakes with fake money and not your own hard-earned money. Number 5, starting your live account. So once you have a live account, what should you be doing with that live account, and how you should be maybe starting with a small account, small position sizes, and then maybe working your way up over time with confidence and experience. Number 6, I'm going to share with you a tool I found on the internet for free to link with your MT4 live account. It's called Position Calculator, or it's Position Size Calculator. And until I actually had that link working on my MT4, it ended up being a game changer. It ended up showing me very easily how I could risk my positions and do proper position sizing based on the different trades. Number 7, a rule sheet. So every trader needs a rule sheet. It's best if it's written down. Mine used to be written down. However, it's evolved a little bit. I should go back and update my rule sheet. But a rule sheet is a simple list of rules that you need to follow to stay consistent with your trading, and then you don't end up revenge trading or over trading or placing any trades that your strategy doesn't call for. And if you need to see the importance of consistency in trading, see my other video called Forex Consistency, and you'll soon see why. Number 8, in the beginning, I found that seeing is believing. So following successful traders who are legit and actually posting profits and have a profitable strategy and giving really good advice. Some examples would be Forex for Noobs. I started out watching them. There's Forex Forecaster on Twitter. Lots of other ones. I started my free YouTube channel for you to watch my weekly analysis and see how my subscription service is doing. So I'd recommend any of those. Especially as a new trader, sometimes there's, you will go through losing streaks and streaks where you start doubting your mind. So to see some other people's success just, gives you that reconfirmation that you can do it. Number 9, after doing research, seeing the different strategies out there, some will make more sense to other traders than yourself, and vice versa. So with the different strategies, you want to see which one makes sense for you, and for you to back test those results and gain the extra confidence, and what's, just giving that simplicity to your mind. Number 10, now that we've placed some trades and you've kind of figured out what kind of trader you are, you need to be tracking and evaluating all the time. I still do it all the time. I reevaluate, okay, I placed these many trades last year were this type of trade. These ones mostly worked, these ones didn't work. These ones maybe retraced to a different fib level than I thought, or so on. So you always need to be tracking, making notes so you can go back and review what you did. Number 11, although I'm a technical trader, I do recognize that there are still quite a few fundamental reports and news events that will create, or can create lots of volatility in my day that could potentially stop me out. So I'm going to show you the key news events and reports that I follow and avoid trading around, and maybe why you should avoid trading around those too. So there we are. Those are my 11 tutorial videos that will be coming up in the near future. So I'll be seeing you next time.